In this video, I'm going to show you how to move and replace the upper motor mount located on the top of the timing chain area on a Nissan Maxima. Remove the power steering pump reservoir. It's just basically pull up on it. There's a clip in the back here. You can get a screwdriver in there, push that clip out, and then pull up on the reservoir. Just move it right out of the way. Now you can get to that bolt. 18mm wrench or socket, break it free. Slide that bolt out. Now with this bolt out of the way, in order to get that one off, we have to take this cross member off that goes from strut tower to strut tower. I'm going to try loosening up the bolts and loosening up that side and see if we can flip it up without taking all that cowl off. 13mm socket. I'm going to take the inner bolt off right here, and then this one right here. With those two bolts out, instead of taking the whole cowl out, all you need to do is take a pry bar, lift this up enough to get an 18mm swivel socket. Now I'm going to install our new mount. Place it in like that. Always start it by hand. You might have to give the engine a little wiggle. Make sure you get a good couple of turns on those threads. And now we can snug it up. So the top bolt going vertical is 94 foot-pounds. That's 18mm socket. And the horizontal one going that way is 85 foot-pounds. Remount your cross member bolts, the two that come out. I'm going to snug those up. That's a 13mm. 35 foot-pounds. Now you can grab your power steering tank reservoir, line up those little finger tabs, and snap it down. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.